Which one do I take? What do we have here? Yep, this thing looks pretty full. Startup wasn't that bad, but I left this car for I think about a day or a day and a half, and I went to fire it back up, and it was just like choo, 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 choo. Like it was dying. You know what I mean? Consider getting another battery for the car. Use this battery recondition button, and you know, I think it's supposed to burn off some sulfates or something like that to get the battery rejuvenated to hold the charge a little bit better. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated. By the way, if you guys don't know, you know by now. We got some merch. This is, I think, what's left over. Some of these got to get shipped out, I think. Black and silver, which I thought would be a big seller, but a lot of people went with the grays. I have no more grays left. Oh, actually, boom! Actually, this got to be shipped out. That's why it's packaged like this. The gray. I'll show you what that looks like. Boom. I have the sand color, which is popular too, and the white. And other than that, yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll put the link down below as well. Also, I should have that little store thing back up. I'm not sure what's going on with that. So before I start this video of me throwing parts on 335, I want to give a huge thanks to Brian and the guys over at Keith Motorsports. They sent out some cool stuff. Not sure what this is. This is a P gear. Second thing, oh, what is this? A leather, and I actually waited. So they sent me this out a bit of time ago. But I was waiting on all other parts because I was going to make this all one big video. I didn't want to do like, oh, keys unboxing, and oh, blow-off valve, and oh, like, you know, separate. I just want to do it all in one shot. Unfortunately, the wheels, that's a Jeep Renegade that just did that. They ain't going to be here in time. I spoke to the guys over at ESR. I'm getting CR1s. I ordered 19x9 plus 32. However, shout out to Justin over there at ESR. We came to the realization, honestly, that there's no way I can get 19x9s anymore because they're going to discontinue them. But I like the CR1s. There's nothing like them. I'm going to take that wheel, which is a 19, and I'm going to move it into the front. So I have 19x9 plus 32 in the fronts. And in the backs, I'm going to run a 18x9.5 with, I think, a plus 32 offset. Or plus 35 offset, I don't remember. You know, the benefit of that is I can put a beefier, fatter looking tire on there, so it'll furthermore make my car look more racy. Yeah, this is like Christmas, yo. Oh, sheesh, this thing is official. It has jump starter, digital display, USB ports, and an actual AC port. Like a alternating current, not direct. Wow. Shout out to the guys, bro. Obviously, their link is down below. The link will always be down below if you want to pick you guys up some of this stuff as well. Here's some of the other stuff that has to go on the 335 as well. I have these like intake plug things. I kind of take them apart and show you what's the deal with these. Ejectocito, cuz. We got some replacement intakes to swap out from the old ones. I think they all are Burger Motorsports, but I could be wrong. I don't know if you guys see my last video, but this thing came out super easy. Whoa, wait a minute. This was supposed to come out of here. So I think the N54 is a little bit weird how they work. These have seen better days. I use this little rinky-dink little, I don't know, heat-resistant tape. And with my knife. There's a hole when I bought it. Hole, see? These things are filthy. This catch can, which, you know. Oh, this one came off. That one looked like it came off. Yeah, they're metal. Look at that. Oh, that's nice and snug too. I brought some zip ties just in case to make it a real janky mic install, but it doesn't look like I need them. And this is intakes, so the air gets sucked in, so it'll be like vacuum onto this. It wouldn't blow it out. So I'm definitely not worried there. Even though if this were on a charge pipe, it fits so snug, I don't see it blowing out. Now there is a little lip on the edge. Like I said, if you want to put a zip tie on there, you could. Holy cow. I didn't even notice that. So if you look back here, there's an even bigger hole. Bruh, not only have the intakes been dirty, but it was sucking in. Wow. Yeah, you guys think this is crazy though? Check out the last video where we took off the charge pipe and we found electrical tape on the inside. Like it's insane. All right, so everything on the intake side looks plugged up. Those three things right here, pretty dope. I'll put all the links down below where you can grab these. They're literally the same size. I'm gonna reuse the old ones. Doesn't make any sense. Throw it on here like so. And feed this in. Hopefully you guys can see. It already looks better. There we go. There we go. Boom. What the? That sits way better. Now, last but not least, and I had this thing for a minute now, and I never got around to doing it because I wanted to do the motor mount. I did the motor mount. Upon further, I guess, what'd you say? Upon further research, I've decided to actually leave this HKS on for right now, and I'll explain that right in a minute. So I'm gonna be real. Basically, we just swapped the intakes and plugged up some holes. I don't think I'm gonna notice a difference. If I do notice a difference, there's some sort of like placebo effect. I think I can hit one pull for you guys. Where we at? Can I get a pull? Before the GoPro dies? It does feel slower. Oh, it's traction light coming on. I'm assuming that's why. Definitely can't hear the turbo sounds as much. Sounds like baby turbos all over again. So glad I moved that intake up though too. I just can't imagine the intake just laying down there and all that dirt and muck. You know, the filters probably get dirtier even faster. So the filters aren't touching anything, which is cool. You know, in the beginning, I picked up the HKS. I was having issues with it, and then I found out that it really wasn't seated correctly, and then the vacuum thing kept blowing off. So, yeah, I just jumped the gun and decided to go run and get a towel blow-off valve, which, you know, initially I was told, you know, via all the forums and stuff, that it's the best one you can get for the N54, and it's so good, and it's that and the third. And I found out that the HKS blow valve is actually pretty good for this car if you're running anything other than like full send, like big turbo and stuff like that. The spring on the towel, I guess, is harder to open, but the HKS is perfect for my setup right now. If I drop the engine, tranny, refresh everything, put a manual, bigger turbo, you know, I have that towel blow valve. I don't think I'm gonna sell it. because I do have future plans for the car that may require it. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Some N54 content, not really popular. A lot of people made tons of N54 videos, but you know, just vlogging what I'm doing. And stay tuned, we have some stuff coming for both cars. And yeah, peace out.